Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Google Slides. So let's get started. So Google Slides is a presentation software made by Google and it's absolutely free and it's a very useful tool. So to use that you have to go to this Google website docs.google.com presentation here. Then you have to log in with your account and click on this as your blank presentation and it will create a canvas. So here you have to go. First you have to rename it. So for example, here I am renaming is such as example. Then you can see here. Then you can click on this save and it will automatically save. So from here, this is the first page. So from here you can just make the title. So here I am making a title such as types of network. So here we can see the slide 1. So to create another slide, you have to click on this, right click here and click on this as new slide. And then if you click it again, you can also duplicate this slide or you can skip as well. So for example, if you click on duplicate, it will duplicate second number once. So if you go at the first here, then from here, if you select this text and here you can just go to the formats and from formats you can make it italic, or if you want to make it like bold, we can make it bold. Let's make it italic again like this. And if you want to make it underline, you can make it underline or strike through as well. So I think it looks good while underline. And here if you like highlight this and go with this button, from here we can also highlight particular word. So here I'm highlighting network with yellow highlighter, as you can see this like this. So if you want to insert any link in network, you can directly click on this insert link and here you can type the link. So here I am typing a link as google.com. I click on here, click on this apply button and it will be done. So to use that you have to just here click on this word and you can see the link has been showing. So just click on this and you will be directly redirected to the website. So by this way you can insert it. So now let's go to second slide. So if you click on this insert tab or this button, you can insert an image from your computer or from your browse search. If you want to do it from drive you can do, or photos as well. If you want to insert a audio you can insert a video, or you can make a shapes also. For example, I'm making here this shape. So here you can also create a shape. To explain this you can just write it here, and if you go it again into the insert, you can also insert a table. For example, I'm inserting a table of 3 into 3. So here you can see the table also. So I am erasing this here, so the table is here. You can also edit the table, like I'm writing a file. Then here we can do like size and by date. We can create like this, and let's go to third. And if you want to insert a chart, then click on this insert, then go with this chart, then you can insert the chart, whichever chart you want, like this. Now if you go into insert again, you can insert a diagram, timeline and many other things. You can also do the word art as well. So you can just enter the word, like I am writing here as name for example, click on enter, and from here you can see this has been made. So by this way you can do it. So let's go to format side. Let's select the font. So from here you can align your text also. If you want to do into left, you can do left. If you want to do into center, you can click on the center. If you want to go with here right side, you can do also right side also. If you want to do in justified mode, click on this justified and it will also work. So if you see here, you can also keep the spacing between the lines and paragraph. If you want to make a points, you can make bullet points and numbered points also. Then here you can also make a border lines. Like for example, if I want to border line as this is black, so I will just click on this. So here you can see it has a border line made. If we go into second, let's go to arrange. So from here you can click on this and you can arrange this into like front or backward of the text. In the tools you can make the spelling check. You can click on this check spelling button and then you can review the suggestions also. And after this, if you want to edit the theme, you can directly go here and on the right side you can like choose the theme whichever you want. You can click on this and you can see it's looking like good with this theme. So from here you can insert anything that you want, or if you want to import, you can import the themes as well. If you go to here tools, then here you can see the dictionary also. If you want to find some word meaning, you can find from here also. Just click on here and for example I am finding the meaning of this name. I will just click on enter and you can see the name also, the meanings. If you click on this button as this lines, so you can draw the line also. For example, if I want to draw this line, so I will draw a line from here also. So by this way you can do it. And if you go to this three dots here, you can go into background and you can select the background color also. If you go here red, click on done and then you can see the background color has been changed into red. So by this way you can make a you can choose the photos and make a custom background also. And this is all. So last, if you want to share with your friend, if you click on the share, then here you have to click on this here and share with anyone, like link with anyone. And if you copy this link and if you open into another tab or share with your friend, you cannot edit it. But if you want to edit this, then you have to go it here, then click on this editor and then you have to click on like copy link and do done, and now your friend can also edit. So this is how to use the Google Slides. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.